Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the CPA project review. You might have seen this in your inbox and wondered what it's all about. I'm going to give you a walkthrough here in just a minute. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is a CPA project review. What exactly is the CPA project? It is a Warrior Plus product teaching you how to make money with CPA offers using free traffic from Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Quora. And just in case you don't know what CPA is, it stands for cost per acquisition. You get paid by CPA networks when you drive traffic to an offer, and the customer doesn't have to buy anything. They take a certain action like filling out a form, getting a quote, watching a video, giving out their email or zip code, or signing up for a newsletter, or they could purchase something. So it's just some small action that they have to take, and then you get paid for that. The creators are Will Weatherly, Halab Gasal, Ramrat. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing their names correctly, but they are very successful internet marketers, and they have created a lot of products. The cost is really pretty low. I mean, the basic cost is $12.95, and then there's some upsells. The first one is 5 done-for-you campaigns for $37. The second one is learn how to make $100 a day for $47. The third one is they give you 5 CPA case studies for $27. And then the fourth one is you have the reseller rights so that you can promote this product and earn 100% commissions. And then I just added it up for you. The total of all the upsells is $138, plus if you get the $12.95, of course, the basic, that adds up for everything $150.95. So that's pretty low cost with this kind of product, because a lot of products you can spend $197 or so for one upsell. Before we get to the pros and cons, let's go through the members area here. So you're going to have a welcome video just kind of explaining what the CPA project is going to teach you. And I like also that they have a PDF version for each video, so you could print it out if you wanted to refer to it later. The first one is going to teach you how to find offers to promote on Max Bounty, which is a CPA network. So you're going to get paid, like you can see here, $25 per lead, $14 per lead. So there are really good offers that you can get paid just for generating leads, and then of course there's other actions that you can get paid for if someone takes. And then they show you how to get your application approved, because you have to know exactly how to do that to get approved in the Max Bounty. Then the third video is about how to identify trending offers on ClickBank. So they don't just show you Max Bounty, they also show you how to find ClickBank offers that are good to promote. And then they're going to show you how to find videos that you can use in case you don't want to make your own videos, and going to search on YouTube and finding Creative Commons videos, which are videos that you can just download to your computer and then upload to your YouTube channel and be able to promote offers using these videos. And then how to create a promotional image on Canva. That's a free site that I use, and you can create images on there for free. How to create value promo videos using your YouTube movie maker. And then the 7th video is how to create value promo videos using WeVideo. Then they're going to show you how to create landing pages using Google Docs, which you can do for free. Setting up your Google Doc. That's the 9th video. Best ways to mask your affiliate link. That's very important, to not just put out your long URL, but to actually mask your affiliate link the correct way. And then they show you, this is a Google Chrome extension that I use, vidIQ, but how to identify trending videos using vidIQ. The 12th video is how to create a suggested video using trending videos. So that's another really good tutorial there. And then they show you how to create thumbnails that'll get attention, finding keywords for your YouTube description. And then this is a different method than I had learned on Twitter, but it's a ninja hack Twitter method. And then they show you how to use Facebook groups and Pilot Poster. This is a little bit different than what I had learned as well. This is really good. And then they have the overview and just final thoughts. Then if we scroll down, you can see some bonuses that they also have, which is 4 steps to success, better than CPA income, a live training. I'm not sure if they'll have another one of these. This was on August 6th and today is the 8th. Then this is really valuable, this exclusive bonus CPA traffic from Quora, because they said a lot of people can get their Quora accounts banned by having links in there, so they show you how to embed a YouTube video into your answer so that you won't get banned. And then they've got other bonuses with Bing Ads Guide. You can join the Facebook Mastermind group, unannounced special bonuses here, increase your PPC conversions and get cheap clicks up to 28 cents per click. So those are some other bonuses. And then of course down here at the bottom you've got all the one-time offers that I mentioned before, the case studies and the reseller rights. And then of course they do have a support email here to get any of your questions answered. So all in all, I would say this is a good product that you can learn a lot of things, not only for CPA offers, but for ClickBank offers or affiliate offers. So I would say the pros are going to be this low cost, 30-day money-back guarantee. I think it's beginner friendly because the videos are really easy to understand and you can go through step by step. It's free traffic, so you're not going to have to spend any money on traffic. And again, it's good videos. You can use it for other ClickBank offers or affiliate offers using this traffic method with Facebook, YouTube, Quora, and Twitter. I would say I really couldn't find any cons with the product. But with anything, there's going to be a learning curve, especially if you're brand new. And there's going to be some technical things that you have to learn, like how to download a video, upload a video, those kind of things. But it's not difficult. And the free methods can take longer to get results. So I see a lot of people quitting before they get results, and it is time consuming with the free methods. But that's not to say that it doesn't work, because if you have time to do all this, you absolutely can get results. So I think this is a good product, especially for the price. So I hope you guys found some value from this CPA project review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. And if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.